Good afternoon from the charming city of Taitung, Taiwan. After returning by ferry from beautiful Luidao, it's time to check into our stay for the night. If you're a traveler exploring Taitung by train and hoping for a restful stay near the station, Moon Villa B&B checks a lot of boxes. Here's the full scoop from my stay. Just a 5-minute walk from Taitung Railway Station, this B&B is a great base if you're arriving by train. For those driving, the B&B offers ample parking space right next door. Despite being near a main road, it's surprisingly quiet at night, ideal for light sleepers. The nearest 7-Eleven and Family Mart are about 350 meters away, which is handy for snacks or basics. What stood out most was the owner's hospitality. She's a young Taitung lady who now runs the B&B for her parents. She was clear and helpful in explaining check-in procedures and went the extra mile, recommending food spots, safe cycling areas, and even prepping a bicycle for me ahead of time. The personal touch here felt genuine and appreciated. The first floor lounge has an eclectic but welcoming vibe. A comfy sofa, an armchair, warm lighting, and even a rabbit statue create a homely atmosphere. There's a microwave, sink, and filtered water dispenser, which is useful if you bring back food or need to fill your water bottle before heading out. I stayed in the double room with balcony, 16 square meters, at 1,590 new Taiwan dollars per night. It's ideal for couples or solo travelers with mid-sized luggage. The queen-size bed is very comfy, with USB charging by the bedside. The seating area has 2 armchairs and a small table, which is perfect for sipping tea. There's a desk with mirror, which works as a vanity or a laptop spot. Both the air conditioning and TV is modern and functional. The coffee and tea corner was a thoughtful touch for our morning routine. The balcony is the crown jewel of this B&B. A wooden swing seat and a stunning view of the Taitung Mountains make it a perfect spot for morning coffee or evening reflection. Honestly, this is the best balcony I have enjoyed anywhere in Asia so far. The bathroom is no frills, but clean and well equipped. The shower is strong and hot, although the shower curtain isn't 100% splash-proof. There's a wall-mounted hairdryer, towels, and basic toiletries are available in refillable bottles. Foam hand soap is also provided. What truly impressed me is the complimentary bicycles with helmets and night lights provided by the Homestay. Cycling is a great way to explore Taitung City, and while most B&Bs offer free bike rentals, few include helmets and accessories at no extra cost. If you enjoy cycling, you'll love this added bonus from Moon Villa B&B. There are no laundry facilities in the homestay and also no laundromats nearby. If you're staying longer or doing a cycling tour, this might be a drawback. Moon Villa no longer provides breakfast, so plan to pick up your morning meal from the nearby convenience stores or local cafes. In summary, Moon Villa B&B is a hidden gem for short stays in Taitung. It's affordable, clean, and welcoming, with enough character to charm travelers looking for a mix of comfort and the local warmth. Would I stay here again? Absolutely.